my channel, and if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome to my happy home. I am so happy you could stop by. Today is, yes, I believe it's the third challenge that Tracey Ann is hosting over at Secondhand Traceyann. I will leave a link of her channel in the description box down below so you can check that out. But in this challenge she asked us to decorate our coffee bar for the summer season and as a theme to use Squeeze the Day, and we had to use lemons, of course. I thought it was so much fun to do this, you guys. I love using lemons to decorate with, and unfortunately I missed her first challenge, but this is the second challenge I am participating in. So Tracey Ann, thank you so much, diva of challenges, for hosting this wonderful challenge. I will try to leave a playlist of this challenge as well, so you can go and check out everyone's creation on this. And yeah, let me quickly get started and let me show you what I create. Let me show you what I'm going to be using for this display. Yeah, let me start with the small things. I have some printouts here that I thought would give a nice touch. Of course, I am going to use my lemons, and I got these, I think they are yellow peppers, I'm not sure, but they look like yellow peppers. I got these for €1, and I thought they were pretty cute to decorate with, and they go well with this theme because they are yellow, so that gives it that extra pop. I think I'm going to be needing a riser and some greenery. And you guys, this jar, this buffalo check jar, I DIY'd myself. I was so happy with how it turned out. I will be doing a video on that, so if you want to see how I did it, then make sure that you're subscribed and have the notification bell on. So the next video after this, I think I will show you that. I have this small, oops, there goes my sign. Let me do my sign. Also a printout from the internet. And I got this jar. There are just some seeds that I use for my salad, so I have that on my counter top every day. So, and I have an empty one. I'm going to be filling this one with some treats. And I have my everyday apothecary jar that I DIY'd. I'm going to be using. And then here this wine crate that I got. I'm always also going to be incorporating in this display. And you guys, I did a haul on this. This is a placemat. It's like this cork on the back, as you can see. And I thought it was so cute with the wood design on it. And yeah, I thought I would use this as a base. So these are the items that I am going to be using. So let's quickly get started.
You guys, I am so sorry I didn't have the camera set up at the right angle, so you won't be able to see everything that I do. But of course I will show you the finished result at the end. this is how it turned out. And the camera not being in the right angle kind of made this a surprise, so that was a bit fun. This is the outcome of it, you guys. I am totally loving this. As you can see, I added some yellow peppers in the greenery just to mimic a pepper bush. And I love all the extra pops of yellow with the printouts and the extra lemons on the baseboard. You guys, I am so loving this. I also added this printout in my picture frame. Since this is a coffee bar, when life gives you lemons, trade them for coffee. I thought that was a great addition. And I also got this one, gather in our kitchen, sit long, talk much, laugh often. I thought it was so cute. So you guys, this is my contribution to this challenge. Let me show you how it looks on my countertop with the other display that I created for the second challenge. And I wrote down my chalkboard, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yes, you guys. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Tracey Ann, for hosting this wonderful challenge. I hope to see you all again in my next video. Bye-bye.